All right, we're gonna attempt to do a repair on Miss Dixon's home. This is the shingle that we're gonna be repairing. Is it really stuck down? Not wanting to come up. We do have some matting transfer, as you can see right there. We're also losing a lot of granules, which is going to compromise the integrity of the shingle. It's really stuck down there. So we got this shingle out. We have matting transfer scattered throughout every shingle underneath it that we tried to get up. As you can see, going through right there. There as well. All right, now we are going to attempt to reinstall this shingle. We've already got 2 shingles that have creased. Okay. So as you can see, attempting to repair that shingle there has also creased through the top of this shingle here. The top of this shingle here. A lot of granule loss, a lot of mat transfer. This shingle is extremely brittle and repairable.